These rescue videos are exploding on TikTok right now. This channel named Mini Rescue ASMR has gained 146,000 followers in this niche, and they've hit 4.2, 7.4, and even 29.1 million views. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process to create them. Here's what I made in less than 3 minutes.
The rats, they're here! We need to run!
Run, run! The hand!
Look, a trap, a snap!
He got it!
Silence, they're gone! We're safe!
Hooray!
So let's get started. At first, search for Explore GPTs. Click on the first link. Once you're in, open the Mini Rescue generator. Just click on the first link. In the GPT, press on Start the generator. It will start processing and give you different 10 scenes to choose from. You can choose a number or generate more if you want more ideas. I'm going to select number 2. Once it's processed, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Link is given in the description. In Flow AI, click to Google Flow AI. Press on New Project. It will open the interface where you can generate both images and video. Now for the image generation, do some basic setting. Click on Image and select Aspect Ratio 9:16. Choose how many images you want to generate. After that, select Nano Banana 2. Now paste your prompt in the prompt box. Then hit on Enter. It will start creating images so instantly. Here is the result. Trust me, the quality of images are so realistic and amazing. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy video prompt, then head over to Flow AI. Just click video option, select frame choose aspect ratio 9:16, then just select model you want. After that, paste your video prompt in prompt box, then hit enter. It will start generating videos. Now take a look at some other results I generated using this method.
We did it! The pipe is saved!
Through this same method, you can generate tons of videos, and even. If you are a beginner, you can start your channel by just using these completely free AI tool. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.